Alright, sa punto pong ito mga ka-RSP, balikan na ulit natin si Diane live sa Ilocos Norte para pag-usapan naman ang Mariano Marcos State University inauguration and collaboration. Diane?
Yes, Audrey, andito nga tayo sa Mariano Marcos State University o MMSU. At may mga gustong bumati sa inyo dyan sa studio!
Name back na bigat! Rise and shine, Pilipinas!
Wow! I love the energy yan ng mga taga-MMSU. At syempre, kasama na po natin ngayon ang presidente ng MMSU na si Dr. Prima Fe Franco. Naimbag na bigat. Dr. Franco, good morning!
Yes, naimbag na bigat, ma'am.
And happy 47th foundation anniversary sa MMSU. Congratulations po.
Yeah, thank you. We have celebrated our 47th foundation anniversary and that was last January 6.
At tuloy-tuloy po yung mga
Yes
activities.
po, we
until
have a
today,
month-long
no?
activity.
Month-long activities. Alright, ma'am, ano po yung mga major accomplishments ng MMSU looking back for the past 47 years and now that you're celebrating this milestone, Dr. Franco?
Yeah, ma'am, we already have 14 colleges and our board programs are doing well. We have top-notchers and we have been considered as top-performing school in our health programs and even our teacher education and our College of Law. And at the same time, we are doing well in our research activities and extension activities as well as our resource generation.
Congratulations.
Yes.
And even sa mga board exams, no?
Yes,
Talagang
ma'am.
performing
Okay.
very well.
Actually, the last one is our Bachelor of Science in Food Technology fared as number 1
Wow.
in the board examination. In the person
Congratulations
of
for
Miss
that.
Divana.
All right.
Yeah,
Well,
okay.
later, Dr. Franco, we have another historic event. Ano? Ito po yung inauguration ng PTV Ilocos Norte Station at yung transmitter ay naririto po mismo sa MMSU. So what can we expect from this endeavor? Ano po yung mga inaasahan nyo rin pong benepisyo para po sa inyo pong paaralan?
Yes, ma'am. First, I would like to thank PTV4 for choosing the Mariano Marcos State University as the site of your transmitter,
Yes.
madam. And with this, our BA-Com, BS DevCom, as well as our BS in Electronics Communication Engineering will have their immersion as well as on-the-job training. So they will be exposed to the processes in the media world, and the skills that they will learn will really prepare them for the job world.
Actually, ngayon pa lang, magano na kayo doon, no? Magtingin na kayo sa loob ng OB-van, no? Para makapag-immersion na kayo at simulan nyo na yan. So sabi nga rin po ng aming general manager na si GM Toby Nebrida, this will really open opportunities for your students. So may mga nagpahayag na po ba ng kanilang interest to, for possible na internship and apprenticeship?
Yes, ma'am. And we are also very happy because as part of our agreement, 30 minutes will be given to the Mariano Marcos State University that will be managed by our Stratcom. And in that way, we will be able to show to the world the activities that we have, the accomplishments, the projects and plans, so that the world will feel our existence as a university.
Oo, actually, no? So parang bukod sa napapalawak yung reach ng PTV, yung mga storya ng mga taga Ilocos Norte, partikular ng mga taga MMSU, mas malayo po ang mararating po
I
nito,
know,
Dr. Franco.
ma'am.
Alright.
And then we are leveling up also in terms of the culture and the arts. We have our renowned filmmakers.
Yes.
We also have our Nasudi Coral that has won in the world
Oh,
in
wow.
New Zealand. And we also have our Teatro Normal, which is excelling in theater arts.
Wow, nakakatuwa ang punong-puno ng talent dito sa MMSU. So lastly, message yun na lang po sa mga students ng MMSU and also baka sa PTV. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay. To the students and the stakeholders of the Mariano Marcos State University, let us thank PTV for coming here in the campus such that we will partner with them in the different endeavors of the university.
Dr. Franco, thank you very much. And
Thank
again,
you, ma'am.
congratulations sa inyong 47th foundation anniversary. We'll see each other later sa
Yes,
inauguration
ma'am.
ng PPB Ilocos
Thank you
Norte.
very much.
Oy, napapag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa mga aspiring broadcast journalists, ano, Dr. Franco. Na-meet ko dito ang isa sa mga aspiring broadcast journalists na si Criza May, ano. Criza, mag-practice na tayo ngayon. Ready ka na ba?
Yes,
o ikaw,
ready.
magbalik dun sa studio sa tulong na rin ng iyong mga kasama dito sa LNSC. So, in 3, 2, 1, go ahead.
Ako po si Criza May Bola ng Mariano Marcos State University para sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
And
Back to